Okay guys, ATM, another vlog nyo naman. ADB 160 matte black. Ayan guys, oh. In-avail ni boss is package B. Then nagpa-install siya ng icon sequential, which is signal light. White yung park light guys. Then likod guys is red yung park light. Alright. So guys, pakita ko lang kung paano kinabit yung icon sequential. So ayan guys, running siya. Ayan. Siyempre, red yung pinaka-park light niya at dilaw yung signal light niya, alright? Nag-install na rin tayo guys nung original JPA tail light, alright? So, pag nagbe-brake light yan, solid na solid yung bato ng ilaw niya. Christian, pasample nga, pa-brake light lang, Christian. Brake light. Off mo muna. Brake light. Ayun, oh, pulang-pula guys. So, sa gabi, sobrang liwanag nito guys, kung makikita nyo. Then guys, ganito yung ginawa nating setup para dito sa ADB. So dito natin nilagay yung mini driving light switch, which is night owl. Ayan, low beam pag pinindot mo, high beam pag pinindot mo yung taas, alright? Off, gitna. Siyempre, stock horn without rapid. Walang rapid yan. Stock horn, solid na solid. Then Europa Bosch. Pag switch mode mo itong dual horn na stainless bracket na to, ayun yung tunog niya, alright? The same time, nagkabit na rin tayo ng OEM passing light, alright? Ayan, from Indonesia guys. Ayan, so sa mga gusto mag-upload ng ganitong setup, wait nyo lang. At an Indothai concept, alright? Number 9, CP Garcia Avenue, UP Diliman, Quezon City. So, stainless bracket na rin yung ginamit natin guys dito sa ADB 160. Sa mga gusto mag-avail, we have Hella, Bosch Europa, then Icon Terra, RM bracket, syempre PIA Gold Runway. So sa mga gusto magpa-setup wish nyo lang at an Indothai concept. Alright.